Main Squeeze provides the ease and accuracy of a dilution control system without needing to install equipment. Each highly concentrated formula helps reduce costs compared to RTU products while improving efficiency. Simply squeeze the bottle to fill the built-in measuring spout, then pour into your container and add water. Main Squeeze EarthSense Degreaser Cleaner is a Green Seal certified super concentrate that produces over 49 gallons of in-use dilution per case. The Synergistic surfactant system provides enhanced cleaning and degreasing performance in commercial kitchen or light industrial settings. No dispensers, no installation, no mistakes. Easy, safe, and precise dilution with Main Squeeze.